Which one?
My master has a beta and a plane and a bulldozer and a tow truck.
Wow. Tell us again. What's this one?
My master
Cement mixer.
has a beta,
Excavator.
plane,
Crane.
tow truck,
Dump truck.
bulldozer.
Bulldozer. Is this your favorite book?
Yeah,
You love all those things?
yeah.
Wow, Hayden.
I missed them.
You missed them?
Yeah,
Where'd you leave them?
and a car.
You left them in Daddy's car?
Yeah,
Man. We'll get them soon, huh?
yeah. I think it's in the store.
You think it's in the store?
Yeah,
Oh. We'll get them from the store then.
yeah. Pretty.
They're pretty?
Yeah.
Are you ready to read the rest of the book?
Yeah.
Do you want to turn the page for Mommy? Whoa, who's that?
My mission has a beta and a dump truck and a plane and a bulldozer.
Wow! Good job, honey.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Give kisses. Wow. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.